Service network, overview. We can distinguish three main elements of any network system: users, services and technical resources. As it presented in the users are generating tasks which are being realized by the network system. The task to be realized requires the services presented in the system. A realization of the network service needs a defined set of technical resources. In a case when any resource component of this set is in a state out of order or busy, then the network service may wait until a moment when the resource component returns to a state available, or the service may try to create other configuration on the base of available technical resources. Therefore, following problems should be taken into consideration. Task mapping on business services and technical resources. Description and mapping a service net on existed net resources for each moment of its using. A prognosis process of the service net behavior in a real-life conditions, definition and selection of measures. Finding relations between measures/criteria and functional, performance and reliability parameters of the service net. Evaluation methods of choose measures of the service net. Decision process of maintenance organization, decision steps as a reaction on appeared events, especially on threats. Definition of measures and criteria of decision steps, risk of threats, and evaluation of decision risk and its cost. An illustration of problems connected with functional, dependability modeling of services networks is shown in Functional, Dependability Models. The ST model state, transition model, is the most popular and useful methodology used in modeling of systems. The system is considered as a union of its hardware, management system and involved personnel, administrators, users, support services etc., so the system states depend on the states of all these elements. The system transitions are consequences of events connected with execution of system tasks and jobs, system faults and system reactions to them, incidents, attacks and system responses etc., i.e. system events are observable occurrences which change states of the system. Basic terms and a functional, dependability model of a services network, Zamochki, 2009. The functional, reliability model, Zamochki, 2005, of computer system SC is a configuration of hardware H, software SB, min-M, management system, operating system, MS, tasks, functions, Jan system events S. The system events includes those connected with task realization, occurrence of incidents, faults, viruses, and attacks, and system reactions to them, hardware and information renewals. The system events are very often described by their time parameters, which are collected in so-called a chronicle of the system. A functional configuration's I of the computer system is a set of hardware and software resources that are allocated to realize ith task I. Where superscript, I fix subsets of system resources needed for execution ith task. A functional, reliability model in the system engineering is regarded as a structured representation of the functions, activities or processes, and events generated inside of the considered system and or by its surroundings. The system events may be divided into two main classes, functional events and reliable, together with maintenance events. In practice, this classification is very often difficult to be made because a system reaction on an event may involve a lot of functional or and maintenance reactions. Therefore, it is better to create one common class of functional reliable events, so-called performability events, Zamochki and Kaban, 2006. Because of these reasons, considered model of services network will be called performability model or functional dependability model, Zamochki and Kaban, 2007. If the functional, reliability model is built as the ST model, then the set of the system states is determined by the states of all resources involved in tasks realized at the moment. The system resource allocations are dynamic, modified due to the incoming tasks, occurring incidents and system reactions, especially reconfiguration.